In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text and paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. Then click on this icon at the top left corner with 4 squares, and by clicking on Clipboard, access your text over here. To paste it, click on it. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your text and use this pin. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, click on the pen, tap on your sentence and use this pin icon next to the pin one. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!